Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Hello friends, this is a demo of a website. I'll be teaching you how to create. By the end of the tutorial, you will be able to create this amazing, beautiful, minimalistic website from scratch. And one thing about it is that everything you use to create this beautiful website, I'll provide them for you free of charge without costing you any penny. All you have to do is to get a hosting, and then the rest I'll guide you through on how to set up this website. This is an e-commerce website, and one unique thing about this website is that you would not need to create your own products or own any product. I'll show you how to import products from aliexpress.com without costing you a dime. So let's take a tour of the website. This is the home page. As you can see, let's tour the home page. We have category buttons here. When you click here, it will take you to the women category. When you click here, it will take you to the men category. Let me open that in a new tab. Let me open this one too in a new tab. So let's wait and see. So as you can see, this has open products in the women category. As you can see, women category here is highlighted. So as you can see, there's it. We have products from the women category. This is a sidebar in the shop category. As you can see, we have the products category. We have essentially view products. We have change currency. This one enables a customer on your website to change to convert the currency or the prices into the nearest or his or her own unique currency. As you can see, I've selected Ghana cedis, which is a Ghanaian city where I come from. As you can see, the price has automatically changed to Ghana cedis. So basically that's how it is. The same thing, we have the men category here. So let me close that. So we have this banner here, free shipping and satisfaction. I'll provide this for you free of charge. We have search products too. It's a search bar. You can search your products here. And we have the same thing. This is the women category. So I'll show you how to do all this. We have best sellers. There's the the women category, sorry. This is the men category. So when I select on the men, you see that they are changing products here. The same thing when I click back to the women, they are changing products. So we have our currency converter here. If I decide to check on Indian rupee, it will automatically switch the currencies into Indian rupees by converting them into Indian rupees. As you can see, this is it. I'll show you how to add this image banner here, and then these social icons. We have our featured collections. As you can see, this is our featured collection. This is for men, and when you select here, it will take you to the women category. So basically that's how the whole thing is. I'll show you how to add the slider and this button too. I'll show you how to do that, and then how to get your blog post on your home page so that customers browsing through your home page can easily get access to your blog, your latest blog post. So let's get back here. As let's just quickly get into the shop page so that you see how the shop page looks like. That's it. Basically, as you can see, it's just how the shop page looks like. And so let's check on our about us page and see how that one looks. So basically, by the end of this tutorial, you will create this exact same website without a sweat. So this is our about us page. You write about your store. I'll show you how to add this image slider to a brief history about your store if you have some, if you have one, and then social media icons for customers to be able to follow you on various social media networks. This is our contact us page. This is our contact us page. If a customer wants to pass an information to you, this is the contact form. Your name, email, that's of the customer's own. The customer will be able to put his or her name here, email address, and then a message, and then submit. We have a map here which indicates the location if you want one. We have the social media icons too, and one thing about this is that everything we'll be using here, the theme, the plugins, I'll provide them for you. We'll be using a free theme called Ocean WP, and then a page builder called Elementor, and then some add-ons plugins which will all be free. So basically, let's add an item to the cart so that you see how the cart looks like. So as you can see, it is 0. It has automatically updated to 1, which means that we've added an item there. So if you want to add this to your wish list, let's check here. It will also automatically update to 1. As you can see, it has automatically updated to 1, which means if you want to keep it there, maybe later you get back to pictures that. So basically that's how it is. We have the quick view too. I'll show you how to do that. If your customer wants to quick view your products, you can easily do that here, and you can easily add that to the cart here. So you can easily view the cart here. So this is the cart page. Customer will be able to see everything here. So this is it. If you have a coupon, I'll show you how to create coupons and then stuff. So proceed to checkout. This is it. See the checkout page. This is the checkout page. The customer will be able to fill in his or her details, and then blah blah blah, choose the payment type, and then place the order. After when the if your customer places an order, you receive an email informing you about an order that's been placed on your store. The same thing happens with the customer too. The customer too will receive an email address, an email telling him or her that the order has been placed, and then the status of the order if necessary. So basically that's how it says. So let's view our wish list too. So basically this is our wish list, so you can easily add that one to the cart and then process it. So you can easily can make customers share it through social media and networks. So basically this is just a demo of the website we're building. So if you want to learn how to build this website, kindly subscribe to to our channel, and then click on the bell icon so that you don't miss the video. Thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh.